Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn to Grow, Not to Know. In this session we will learn about the numbers of each kind of teeth in temporary set and permanent set of teeth. So in temporary set of teeth, I denotes incisors, C denotes canines, M denotes molars. Incisors are 4 in each jaw in temporary teeth. Canines are 2 in each jaw. Premolars are absent in temporary set of teeth. This is very important. Premolars are absent in temporary teeth. Molars are 4 in each jaw in milk teeth. Molars are 4 in each jaw because wisdom teeth are absent in temporary teeth, right? So there are total 4 molars in each jaw. So total number of incisors are 4 above, 4 below, 4 plus 4, 8 incisors are there in temporary teeth. Canines 2 plus 2, 2 above upper jaw and 2 lower jaw. So total 4 canines are present. Premolars are absent in temporary set of teeth and molars are 4 in each jaw. So 4 plus 4, total 8. So 10 in each jaw. Total number of teeth are 20. The complete set is 20 teeth. Let's see the numbers of teeth in permanent teeth. I denotes incisors, C denotes canines, PM denotes premolars and M denotes molars. So now incisors, total 4 in each jaw. So 4 plus 4, total 8 incisors are there in permanent teeth. Canines 2 in each jaw. So 2 above, 2 below, total 4 canines are present. Premolars are present in permanent teeth. So premolars are total 4 in each jaw. 4 plus 4, total 8 premolars are there in permanent teeth. Molars. Molars are 6 in each jaw in permanent teeth. 6 molars. 6 in each jaw. So 6 plus 6, total 12 permanent teeth. Total 12 molars are there in permanent teeth. The last molar, that is arrow one, that molar is the third molar, that is the wisdom tooth. Okay, the right hand side and left hand side. So 2 in each jaw. Wisdom teeth are 2 in each jaw. So total 4 wisdom teeth are present. So they are also called as third molars, right? Now let's see. So kind of teeth, incisors 4 in each jaw, temporary and permanent same 4 in each jaw. Canine 2 in each jaw, temporary, and 2 in each jaw in permanent teeth. Premolars are absent in temporary teeth. Premolars 4 in each jaw in permanent teeth. Molars 4 in each jaw in temporary teeth, whereas 6 in each jaw in permanent teeth. Now let's see the total number. So incisors total 8 in temporary, total 8 in permanent. Canine total 4 in temporary, total 4 in permanent teeth. Premolars are absent in temporary. Premolars total 8 in permanent teeth. Molars total 8 in temporary and total 12 in permanent teeth. So total number of a full complete set of temporary teeth are 20 and a complete set of permanent teeth are 32. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.